Hey Jay, you got a minute?
Yeah, Dave, definitely. What's up?
This is Jason Perera. He's a shop manager. He's the lead tech. He's the person that makes sure that we're on the leading edge of technology with the new style trucks that we're working on. And actually here with a new piece of equipment that we just picked up. So I'll let Jay explain it.
This is our new Picoscope. This guy had a charging issue, so I took a quick capture of the alternator and how it's charging. Well, this is going to enable me to test all types of stuff. Say I had a problem with an injector that was under the valve cover and extremely hard to get to, and it would be hours and hours of diag. With this, I could potentially hook up, back probe the harness, and be able to diagnose that injector without going in and taking all types of stuff apart. So it's definitely going to help me save tons of time.
Very cool.
Cool.
So basically, you plug it in, it tells you what to do, and
No, definitely not. We still have to stay on top of our training and know how systems work and know what we're looking at. But we always do all the training we can, us and all the guys here. We go out to training. We took a couple classes at Suffolk, and it's just nonstop. To be good at what you do, you gotta stay on top of it, you gotta train, and you gotta be devoted to it.
so basically, you go home, you eat dinner, you go to sleep at night most of the time, right?
Nah, I wish. I want to be the best at what I do. So like this entire week, we got a new piece of equipment. I stayed till 7:30 every night trying to hook up, take captures, and create my own library of waveforms for all these diesel trucks that we work on. But it's cool. I'm totally into it, and I love it. Love it.
Very cool, man. Thank you so much. So
Yeah, no problem,
man.
Dave. I'll see you next
All
time.
right, Jay. Thanks so much.